Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. You'll be surprised as one of the Supreme Court justice is pushing and is pressuring other Supreme Court justice to reject fresh evidence filed by Atiku Abubakar for the deposition of the Chicago State University, showing that Bola Ahmed Tinubu used a fake certificate to contest the 2023 election. So this is the justice. You can see him, Justice Inyang Okoro is the one who is pushing. That's his face. That's the justice there. He has sent message. He said no, that according to the law, in fact, he's big on it. He's the one telling other judges that they cannot accept it. That the Supreme Court is not a place for admitting further evidences. Is a place of checking what the appeal court has done. That no, it is not right. He will not agree. He's been talking about it, and you'll be wondering, how God, what it be your own now? They won't just show to say part of the reason why Atiku's case with regards to this appeal court was dismissed was because they said, they said he did not bring evidence to back that that Tinubu brought in his face certificate. Atiku took the time to pursue the case, went to Chicago State University, and when the deposition was done in court, the registrar said under oath, when they presented the certificate Tinubu presented to INEC during his registration, he said that they don't know about that very certificate. They don't have a knowledge. What does that say? They said he did. According to Chicago State University, he came to their school, but the result he presented to INEC was not from their school. So what does that say? Is that not what we call fake? But a particular judge now is saying no, that the other justice must not allow it to be admitted in court. Yes? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. If you are wondering why Justice Inyang Okoro is piling pressure on other Supreme Court justice to reject fresh evidence filed by Alhaji Atiku Abubakar from the deposition of officials of the Chicago State University, showing that Bola Ahmed Tinubu used a fake certificate to contest the 2023 presidential election. Reading this will let you know no room for certificate forgery in elections. Supreme Court Justice has said there is massive fear in the camp of APC over the exposure of the fake certificate of Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the Supreme Court, as they will have nowhere to judge this case to. Hence, they have to reject it at all costs. They did not expect that anything good will come out of the Chicago State University when they told Atiku to go produce evidence, and Atiku, pursued all the way to the Supreme Court. And today they can see that, the matter is beyond the thought. So they never expected that Atiku would be able to successfully get through with it. And so hearts are really our hearts are pounding, shaking, doing saying, supposing this is admitted in court, the lawyers will have to snug it out to say, the result that was presented was a fake one, and that is what they don't want to hear. That's what they don't want to hear, and that's why there is serious tension already on ground. As people are wondering, why is this judge? Why is he taking it why is it his personal business? What is his own that is taking it very personal? He's taking it quite personal, like seriously, truly personal. He's saying that they cannot present this case before the Supreme Court, or they cannot. And people are wondering, why can't they present it? Why? He said it's not allowed. That's the judge's face, so you can see his face. He said they must not present it at the Supreme Court at the time of evidence collection is over, and he's meeting all the judges. He's doing a personal evangelism. He's going to meet them, convince them that no, it cannot be accepted. People are wondering why. Why are you so? Why? Why is it a pressing issue in your heart? Why are you particularly concerned about whether it is accepted at the Supreme Court? President Tinubu has a right to defend himself. He's been accused of presenting a fake certificate. He has a right as a fundamental human being to defend himself. So why are you pushing that this result that at the Presidential Election Tribunal the case was dismissed, that he has no evidence? He has gone to bring the evidence now to show to the Supreme Court that I did have evidence, and here is the evidence. And some people are saying, no, we reject it. you cannot present it. They know they call that thing, not be witchcraft, they call it that year. Not be witchcraft, where they say you must not go forward, you must not progress. They call not be witchcraft. I just they try to clarify. So now waiting they happen. These are some of the things where they go on. And this judge now, he get children for this country. When he pass road, your body go nearly break because the road not good. We need Nigeria to be better. But these are the same people where we say that they push to cover up some things that may not be right in the society. Yet, their position is to uphold honor, integrity, and ensure that the right thing is done. See the judge face there. Now be that. Now they push, they go to house. It don't take as a personal call and duty to ensure, say, they not receive her. Because they wonder, say, George, say yes, George, say yes. What's your own? What exactly is your position in this matter? Why are you taking it very personal? Why is it your mission statement, your life ambition that, they must ensure that nobody take, what is it? The guy no fee talk. Well, Nigerians, again and again, I must tell you guys that now, you see, the problem when Nigeria they face through, when Nigeria they go through now, Nigerians get hand put. Both those in power and those not in power, Nigerians get hand put. When you see what they wrong and you keep quiet, you not talk, you be good person. Between you and I, you be better person. No, nah. You say this thing they happen, it they wrong, but yet you allow it to they happen. Yeah, and you have the capacity to stop it. Are you a good person? No, you tell me, because I need to know so that I go hear from the horse's mouth. Are you a good person? Are you a good person? I don't think you are. Even if you want to deceive yourself, I don't think you are. Okay? So we must ensure that we tell the truth. All these people, whether they can't tell us cook and boast stories here and there. Are they really honest and sincere? How many of them sincerely, truly, wants this country to really change? How many of them truly, honestly, sincerely speaking, are ready to, to flip the hands of things so that Nigeria can be in a 360? How many of them are working at that? How many of them? We can hardly see them come out with the truth, and most of them are really, working for themselves and trying to, get only what will profit them, in respect of what happened to other people. They can't be bothered. You see, this has to come to an end. Please don't forget to please give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. So let's speak out against every wrongdoing going on in the society. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Bye for now.